Hello, welcome to Arush Coaching Classes, and we are starting off with the data handling part of Class 12 Information Practices. This is a live class which I have uploaded, and soon I'll be uploading the theory classes as well.
So put the question, otherwise you'll forget.
Yeah.
Hashtag put create an empty series. Create an empty series. That's the question. Hashtag, put hashtag and then do it. Yeah. All right. Okay. So what was it? Import pandas as PD and then give some series name, the variable name. Yes. And how do you write the series form? PD dot series. Series will come in S capital roll, an empty bracket, that's all. That's an empty series. That's how you create an empty series, right?
Okay. This is called empty series, yeah, I don't know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just the parenthesis and leave it empty. Put parenthesis, empty brackets, small bracket. Yeah. And next line, print it. Print series, small series, yes. No, inside the bracket. Series has to be inside the bracket.
Yeah.
It's a variable name. How are we writing? Yeah. Now run and see this.
Oh.
See. Can you see this? What it is written over here?
Square brackets.
Exactly. If you see clearly series, that's an empty series. That's why it is a square bracket. And D type. What is D type? They have given us float. Why float? Why not any other thing? What is the reason it gives float only? Why data type is always float? Why not integer? Why it didn't take integer? Float, why so? What is so special about float?
I'm like, is it some default value or something?
Exactly.
Yeah.
That by default, it considers as a float.
Float, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You should always see what happens. Sometimes these are very tricky kind of questions and all. Although these will not come in your exams as such, but since you're doing coding, you should be aware of it. Right? Like for example, when you have to create a default, program or something, we create a folder .py, right? Or we say temp.py. Why temp? Because it is temporary. So these are, by default annotations. Like PD, you can write something else also, P series or something, but it's an alias name. So you should know that's the standard which is being followed, and then that's the reason we use all of them, right? Easy.
Yes.
How to create a an empty series?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. All right. So now empty series is created. Now, can you create a series from a dictionary? So what is dictionary first of all?
Ma'am, it's like inside the dictionary, like it contains like various lists, and you can create a dictionary. So.
List. Dictionary contains list. Is it true?
No, ma'am. It's like inside the dictionary, like it contains like a lot of lists, like various lists.
Okay. Any other definition or any other way you
like
want?
List of dictionaries and also dictionaries of list. So
okay.
it's like the exact definition. Like I don't know. Like how do we tell?
Okay. So see, whenever you are learning tech, especially computers these days, and with the growing competition, you have to be very specific while you are answering the questions and all. So yes, you can create list in various dictionaries, but whenever you are defining them, you should always say dictionary consists of a key value pair.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
If you will not give this word, definitely your definition will not be considered. Very simple. See, in the normal dictionary, what happens, Madhumita? What happens in the normal dictionary, the Oxford dictionary, the English dictionary?
Oh, like it contains of the meanings of words.
Right, meanings of the word. So one side you have words and one side you have the meanings.
Meanings.
Correct?
Yes.
And they are separated by colon.
Yeah.
Right? So similarly, in Python also, when you have to write about dictionaries, they are actually separated, or they are actually, like we say word and the meaning, here we are saying key and its value, right? Key value pair, because they always come into pair. Second thing, whenever you are defining a dictionary, you will say it is always written in curly brackets.
Yeah.
That is the sign. As soon as you see there's a curly bracket, you will say it's a dictionary. Right?
What are the curly brackets, ma'am? Like
that is the standard notation which is followed. Like for list, it is square brackets. Dictionary, it is curly brackets. Tuples, it is parentheses, small brackets. Okay. So nothing specific as such. Okay, why? That's the annotation. That's the syntax which is being followed in Python.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So moving on further from here, we were creating an empty, no, not empty dictionary. We were creating a series from a dictionary. How do you create a series from a dictionary? How do we do that? Same thing.
Yeah.
Import pandas as PD, numpy as NP. So many times you will write, so you'll remember.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, then now you will have to create a dictionary. I told you how to create a dictionary. Give one variable name and put it inside a curly bracket using the key value pair notation. So how will you write that?
Any name, ma'am.
Yes, any variable name. You can write dict or my books or whatever you want to write. Equal to
Curly bracket.
curly brackets.
Inside that, the normal bracket.
No normal bracket.
Oh, yes, no. Okay.
No normal bracket.
Okay, so
Not required.
is it like this, ma'am?
Yeah. But I said what? Key value pair. You've written a key. After that, where's the value? A is what? A is representing what?
Okay.
Is it giving, say you want to create a list of books.
Okay.
All right. So A is maybe physics. So you can write A colon physics in quotes.
Yeah.
Whenever there's a number, that will be without quotes. When there's a string, it has to be inside the quotes. Single quote or double quotes. Okay. B. What is B? Maybe which is your favorite subject? You can put it over there.
Yeah.
So create list of books. 3-4 books you create.
Okay.
Not list, actually, we are creating a dictionary.
Yeah.
5 books. Okay, so the dictionary is created. What will be the next step?
Is it print?
Yes, give some variable name. S equal to, you have to put it in the series also. You've just created a dictionary. First, you have to put it in the data frame. Which data frame? Series data frame, right?
Series,
So, S equal to, or whatever you want to give, will write PD dot series bracket dict. So dict is coming in green color. You can just, it's taking by default, you can put dict1 or dictionary1 or list of books, something, some. Yeah, dict1. Now put here, put inside this dict1. So what are we putting? See, this is in the array form. A, physics, B, chemistry, C, accounts, D, economics, E, IP. Now you want it to be in a series format. That's what the Pandas is used for. So that's the reason whatever dictionary you are creating, you have to convert it into a series. Okay. Then you will print. If you will print it after dict1 directly, then normal dictionary will be printed. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now put print S. That's so simple. Print S. Bracket open S. Bracket closed. All right.
Yeah.
See?
Yes.
And can you put print dict1 after your line number 3? Yeah, after your IP where the curly bracket is closing. Yes, press enter. Now put there print dict1. Yeah, then see, you'll see the difference. When you were saying, no, okay, I have to print. Now run this program again. Yeah, that's all.
Oh,
See. So our work here, what are we learning here? Pandas. That's the reason we are putting in series. Otherwise, if you put directly print dict, then this will be normal Python. Like you can do it in your idle also. Right?
Yeah.
So normally how a dictionary is printed, can you see? It is still showing the curly brackets only.
Yeah.
Correct? So normally the dictionary is printed also, printed this way. But when you put it in a series, actually we want it in a series format, then it is like this. We have structured it beautifully. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So since you've created a dictionary, I'm very happy. Now create a series from a scalar. So you can put the question, create a series, hashtag. Otherwise, you will forget all the questions. You can put hashtag, create a series from scalar. Create a series from a scalar. So first of all, can you tell me what is a scalar? Or scalar value also you can put.
Is it like the numerical values?
Okay, numerical values. So numerical values can be anything, right?
Yeah.
What does scalar represent in the series format? Or in pandas? Okay, let's do one thing first. First, let's write the program and see what happens. Then I'll tell you what exactly is scalar. Okay.
Yeah.
So same thing. You can write import pandas as PD. Okay, now you can write S equal to PD dot series PD dot series, bracket open, small bracket open. Now you can write any number of your choice, 5, 50, 10, whatever you like. Okay, that's it. That's it. One number, only one number.
Okay.
Yeah, comma. Index equal to, open the square bracket. And in that you can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And close the bracket. All right. And now you can print S. Print S in the next line. What happened?
Ma'am, so the index values has like one common like number, like it's 5.
Yes. So almost there. Not common. It is actually constant.
Yeah.
Here, which number have you taken? 5, I guess. Yes. So here 5 is repeated how many times? See, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times.
Yeah.
Right? Why 5 times? Because as per the number of index.
Yeah.
What index you have taken. So basically it represents a constant over there. Right?
Yeah.
Basically when you say no scalar value. So scalar value is what? Constant.
Constant. Yeah.
What is constant? Like you must have studied in your physics. Yeah?
Ma'am, like I'm commerce. I'm not a physics student.
Ah, okay. All right. So maybe in commerce, what example I'll give it to you? Wait, then I'll have to think because I am not from commerce. Okay. So scalar is something like, Madhumita, which will not change.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
It's constant. Yeah, right.
Which keeps on constant. Like
the
maybe
same values like that.
Yeah. So maybe when you talk about maybe your specs number, if you're wearing specs or something, okay, or maybe your shoe number, that's like now constant. Okay, this number only comes to me. So that's a constant number, right?
Yeah.
Which is not changing. So that's where the constant value is represented. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this was about series. Okay. Now, if I want to do some calculations on series, then can I do that? First of all, can I do some calculations?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, we can. So we will be doing all the maths operations in series. So what do you mean by maths operations?
Ma'am, is it like arithmetical?
Exactly. So basically plus, minus, multiply and divide.
Yeah.
So what we will do? We will quickly do all the things one by one. Right?
Yes.
Okay. The first thing you know very well, import pandas as PD. Put some series. How do you create a series of numbers? Any numbers you can say.
Yeah. I'm like from 1 to 10, like anything.
Yeah, anything.
Is that right, Ma'am?
No. How do you create a series? Come on.
Yeah.
Yes, without this we cannot work, right? Yes.
Yes. Mom, do we give the index? Like,
You want to create with index or without index? Both ways it will work. You can give. If you want, you can give.
okay. Yeah, like it's fine, Mom. Like, without index.
Okay. So without index, how will you do it? Okay. What I told you, how do we create? First, you have to create it like a list, like a square bracket. Correct?
Yeah.
So put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever numbers you've taken, put it inside a square bracket. And now enclose them with a small bracket or with parenthesis, right? Yes. That's how you represent a series. Always remember, inside it will be a list, outside there will be a small bracket. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I want you to do, you have to first of all multiply all the values in the series by 2. How will you do that?
Mom, is it like a values by 2? Like if you want to
Yes. How? See, you have written a series, pd.series. This is the series, and you've stored it in a variable, which is called numbers, right? So how will you do it? You'll go to the next line and you will write print. Next line, print, bracket open, numbers, multiply by 2. How do you represent a multiplication sign? A star.
Asterisk.
Asterisk. Number 8. Yes. That's all.
Okay.
Now run and see the program.
Yeah.
See? So what I specifically said to you that I want you to multiply all the numbers or all the values in the series by 2. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose I say, okay, find the square of the values in a series. If I want you to write or find the square of all the series, then?
Square.
Yes. Square is what? 2 square will be 4, 3 square will be 9, 5 square will be 25, 36, 8 8 is 64 and 81. So the numbers which are coming 4, 6, 10, 12, 16, 18, they will be replaced by 4, 9, 25, 36, 64 and 81.
Yeah.
Can you do it? Come on. Easy one. It's a simple multiplication rule. Quick.
Right.
Square, you know, right? Doubling. Yeah. Multiply with the same number. That's a square, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Madhumita. It's an easy one. Let's start with the same line. Import pandas as PD, the favorite one. Same series. Numbers equal to PD.series. So line number 1 and 2 you can copy from the first one. Although I don't do that, but okay, this much you can do. Copy. Paste it. Yeah. Okay. Now what am I saying? I am saying I want you to print the square. That means whatever you are doing, you have to double do it. So that will be numbers and 2 times at asterisk.
Oh, okay.
Numbers
done that.
2 times asterisk. So basically it represents the power. 2 times star, 2 times asterisk means the power. We say now 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. So in Python, when you're using double stars or double asterisks, it represents what? It represents the power. So here you want the power of 2 because I'm asking square. If I ask you cube, you will put 3. Right? Yeah. Now run and see that.
Okay, yeah, right.
Yes?
Yeah.
Are they the square of all the numbers which you've taken in the series?
Yeah, they are.
Okay, another one. Now this one you will do it. I'll not tell you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Print all the values in a series that are greater than 2. That are greater than 2. Or in your case, everything is greater than 2. So you can write greater than 6 maybe.
Yeah, this is right.
Yeah. Okay, so you've written numbers greater than 6. Let's see. Let's run and see this.
Yeah.
What happened?
It returned the Boolean values.
Exactly. Because you don't have to check the series. You have to check its index.
Oh, yeah.
There you lost it. So after numbers, you will put one square bracket and now you will put numbers greater than 6. Yes, like that.
Oh.
Yes. No. This remove
Yeah,
this.
I'm just removing it. Yeah.
Yeah. Square bracket and then close it.
Okay.
Very nice. Now run and see this. What happened?
In 8
Numbers is numbers only. Oh, you've not closed the bracket.
Yeah.
The parenthesis or the small bracket.
Yeah.
Oh, so what it did? Printed the numbers which are greater
6.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Clear. So you will say, okay, this only 4 and 5. What does that mean?
4.
Like I feel 4 and 5 are the numbers. You said numbers greater than 6.
4 and 5 are the indexes.
Exactly. 4
Yeah.
and 5 are the
Indexes. Yeah.
Correct. Easy.
Yes, ma'am.
And why isn't like 9 is also greater, 25 is also greater? Then why it printed only 8 and 9?
Because we asked for the numbers that are greater than 6. So there are just 2 numbers, which is 8 and 9.
Exactly, because we are talking about the series value.
Yeah.
We are not talking about the output, right? So that is gone. Here it's a series. 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 and 9. So if you see this, greater than 6 will be only 2 numbers.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move ahead?
Yes.
Okay. Now, next task for you is create 3 series. 3 different series.
Oh.
3 different series. Then we'll add them and we'll do different operations on them.
Okay.
Create 3 different series. How will you do it? Series 1, series 2, series 3. Quickly.
Yeah.
All right. Good. Is there something wrong in your code? Check. See, there's a red parenthesis coming. That means there's something wrong.
Oh.
Yes. Madhumita, whatever you've created a list. You have to enclose it inside a parenthesis.
Yeah.
So you did that parenthesis at the last, but you missed it in the beginning after series 1. After series 1. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, no. You have to write pd.series. Here, no series 1 will come. Here, it will not come series 1.
Is it like numbers 1, numbers 2? Like you
Yeah,
write like
so you can put numbers 1. I was saying like series 1. Yes, you can put numbers 1, numbers 2, numbers 3. Always remember Python function will not change. Okay. See,
Yeah.
left hand side before equal to, the left hand side can change. You can put any name. But the right hand side of the equal to, that is pd.series, that you will not change. Series 1 or series. That's the standard library notation. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't have to change that one. Now see, now it's perfectly fine. Okay,
Yeah.
create numbers 2, numbers 3 quickly. Quick, 3 list. Okay, maybe in the one series you can remove one number. I don't want all to be equal. Maybe one is having less number, or maybe you can make it one extra. Any one series, you drop one number and one index. Yes. Yes. So that it is unequal. Remove that comma also. Yes. Same way, remove U also, the index also. Yeah. So series are not equal. Okay. So easy question you will not get, no? All equal one. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Print numbers, is it?
Yeah. Print numbers. Is it like anything or like one?
Okay, run. Run.
Okay, let's see. Oh wait, what's this?
See? What is the error? Can you read it?
It's value error.
Go down, go below.
Yeah.
Little more.
Yeah.
See. Length of the values 5 does not match length of index 4. What does that mean?
Ma'am, there is no index in the
Index plus
the
Madhumita, what you did it, you are writing a variable name which does not exist. There is no numbers variable. It is number 1, number 2, number 3. There is no variable which is called numbers. See, It is numbers 1, numbers 2. So you have to print it like that. Put there numbers 1 and then print it. Print numbers 1.
Yeah.
Instead of numbers, there you put, so first series will be printed. Here also the same thing. Yes, 6 numbers. Numbers 3. Here also. Yeah. Now try.
Yeah, it comes.
Yeah.
Right now.
Correct.
So now I guess if you remove this, it might work.
Yeah.
See it.
Remove 8. No. From the first one, remove 8 also. Yeah. Comma also. Huh. Okay, now try.
Yeah. It comes.
Okay. So you can just remove these print numbers 1, numbers 2, numbers 3. Can you remove all 3?
Yeah.
Instead of this, can you do the addition of series 2 and 3 and series 1 and 2? So basically, I want you to add number 1 and number 2 and then number 2 and number 3. You have to give me the addition of 2 series.
Okay.
First and second, first, and then second and third. 1 and 2 and then 2 and 3. How will you do it?
Yeah, so
How do I add the series?
it's plus. We use that. Yeah.
Yes.
So first you want for 2 and 3.
Anything you can put.
Okay.
Either 1, 2, 2, 3. Anyway.
Okay. Yes, plus.
How can series number 1 and number 2 be equal? You have to add them, right? So why have we written a equal to sign? And equal to sign is there, see? Why have you written equal to sign? Right. Here what will come? Plus sign.
Plus, yeah. Plus.
No third one. I don't want the third one. Yes.
Okay.
What I want to do, I want to print the series, right?
Yeah.
Print the addition. So print and put it inside a bracket. It's so easy. How do you write a print function?
Yeah,
Madhu?
I know it, ma'am. Yeah, 1 minute. Wait, how do you go? Ma'am, how do you undo it?
Yes, Madhumita.
Ma'am, like how do you undo it? Like
Press enter, no? Press enter. It will go in the next line, right?
yeah. So,
Now run. Can you see?
yeah.
2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 plus 8 is 14. And can you see? In the first series, sorry. In the first series, there was one value missing. And in the second series, there were 5 numbers. So what it did? It gave you a nan value.
Yeah.
And that is what I said.
Oh.
Once again, while adding 2 series, if non-matching index is found in either of the series, then nan will be printed corresponding to the non-matching index. Which one is the non-matching? U. U is not there, right?
Yeah.
It is not matching. So that means what it did? It printed nan.
Yeah.
Okay. Now can you print second and third?
Okay, so yeah, done, ma'am.
See now? There is no nan value or a 0 value or anything, right?
Yeah.
Why? Because both are filled properly, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think addition is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way goes for the subtraction also. So I don't think so. Subtraction, I think that you can handle it, right?
Yeah. Right.
Same way it will work. Same way the addition and the subtraction.
Yeah.
So let's do one more point, that is head and tail functions.
Yeah.
Okay, quickly. All right. So basically, head means what?
Ma'am, it returns the first, like the first 5 rows, like the first n number of rows.
Correct. First 5.
Yeah.
When you're not writing anything inside the bracket, by default, it will print only the first 5. But suppose there are 100 rows and you want the first 10 or first 20, then you have to specify. Like inside the head, you have to mention, okay, I want to see the 7 rows. I want to see 8 rows. I want to see 10 rows. So it will print it for you. Okay. So if you will not write anything inside the head, then it will give you by default the first 5 series or the first 5 rows. So quickly, can you make one array? Quickly. Now see what I told you. This time you have to create an array.
Yeah.
Same thing, import pandas as PD, numpy as NP. Create an array.
I'll just write the hashtag.
Yeah. And then, yeah.
Complete an array.
Yeah. That's all. Create any array, any variable name. Okay. Array is a function of numpy, right? Numerical Python. Numpy is what? Numerical Python. So you will write np.array. np.array. Like you created dictionary, same way.
Okay.
No. The variable name. Any way you were giving, you wrote it correctly. Then what happened? ARR equal to np.array. Yeah, that. Now you know how to create a list. Create a list and put the parenthesis. That's how you create an array, right?
Yeah.
Same way. Same way.
Okay, ma'am. So numbers.
Now put all the numbers inside a square bracket, right? Any random numbers you can put 10, 15, 80, 100, 400, something. Put 5, 6 numbers.
Yeah.
Or at least put 10 because we have to see head and tail, na? So
Yeah.
put 10 numbers or so. Okay. So more than 5 we have created. Great. All right. So if you print array, what will happen? Can you print array? What will happen?
Yeah.
Print ARR. Yeah. Run and see what happens. An array is printed. So what I want you to convert it into a series. So you can remove that print ARR and put their hashtag. Create a series from array so that you will remember. Remove print also. Remove print also. Yeah. Now put hashtag. Hashtag. It's a comment. Hash means comment. Python doesn't read your code. It is just for your understanding. Okay.
Okay.
Create a series from array so that it's clear with you. Create a series from an array. So how do you do it? Any variable name. And what is the function to create a series?
PD.series.
Super. What you have to put inside this? Array, ARR. This only, this array was coming like this, no, horizontally. I want this to be in the structured format, right?
Yeah.
So put ARR inside the bracket after this. Yeah, ARR. All right, now run. Oh, we've not printed, sorry. Print also, print series, sorry. We've not printed. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is just 10, 12 numbers, so it's fine. Suppose if there were 1,000 rows, 2,000 rows, it would be a grade or a big list which you have to access. So what I want is, I just want the first 5 rows. What will I do?
So you remove the first 5. So you write
Yes. Instead of series, you will write series dot head. Instead of print series, you will write print series dot head. Yes, series dot head. After head, there has to be a bracket open and a bracket close. Now run and see. Now run and see.
Yeah.
Only the first 5.
5. Yeah.
I want only first 2. Then put inside that empty bracket 2. Yeah. Now run and see.
Yeah.
Only the first 2.
Yeah.
If I want how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 you've put. I want the first 10. Only the first 10. Okay, now run and see.
Yeah.
Working?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So head is understood.
Ma'am, so I don't include 0, right? Like it starts from 1.
No, it will always start from 0. Python indexing is always done from 0 only. See?
No, ma'am, like if it's 10, then like you have to write 9, right? Like inside the bracket.
Yeah. Inside the bracket, it has to be n minus 1 that way.
Yeah.
Whatever numbers you've written, no, suppose you've written 10, so it will be printing n minus 1. That's the rule.
Okay.
Because it is starting from 0.
Yeah.
Now same thing, Madhumita, if I have to access from the bottom, that means I just want to see the tail, only the last 4, only the last 3. Very good. So last 4. Yes. Now run and see.
Yeah. So the last 4
talks about the tail. So head and tail functions clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Super. So I think we'll stop here. It's the time. I think 1 hour is over, and we'll take it up from here, Madhumita. So